किसी झील का कमल ड्रीम गर्ल, किसी शायर की गजल ड्रीम गर्ल, कभी तो मिलेगी कहीं तो मिलेगी, आज नहीं तो कल। कौन ड्रीम गर्ल? किसी शायर की गजल ड्रीम गर्ल, किसी झील का कमल ड्रीम गर्ल. So hi again. If you see me again, I'm Jashin Gopani, the founder CEO of a setup in Delhi. We're in the business of designing, manufacturing, supplying, and consulting in home and office interior solutions, office accessories, semi-precious stones, etc. And what was that song all about? You know, the beautiful lyrics and everything. With I think it was Mr. Dharmender and Hema Malini, and the lyrics are all about this gentleman singing this number, hoping to meet the woman of his dreams and stuff and all. Okay, so it's not about love. It's not about finding a partner. It's not about finding anybody. It's about general love. It's about love for community. It's about the broader aspect of love and stuff. You know. So I got my pet here with me, and I've got the support, team here, which is his parents and the sister here, and another one there. The piche iske here, piche, yeah. So now, I mean, love की definition इतनी छोटी नहीं होनी चाहिए. Just about one person and just about your partner and stuff. Love in the broader context must be an expansive thing about including people, nature, the world, concern for people, concern for causes, concern for your city, concern for children, concern for issues and all that. And I'm not saying that make everybody's problems and issues your own and stuff, but the point is that when you think a little broader and bigger than just your own self, then your life also changes for the better and stuff. So my life, for example, has become a lot bigger and better ever since I took this one dog to my place. I used to feed him for, his name is, this is Bruno. I used to feed him first. He was a puppy. So I took him home. And before that, I ended up making friends with so many people and children and stuff. And now when I come out, I find that every day, me, my parent, anybody and everybody who gets them out, we end up talking with new people. So, a small element of a pet in my house has changed my life big time. So now, if you have issues of feeling low, not having company, or feeling like not knowing what to do, let's go that way, sweetheart, have to pass your time, and you're looking for people to kind of fill up that part of you and stuff, my advice and suggestion would be to open up your heart to being more warm, to being more kind, being more large-hearted, and feeling a lot more. And where I'm coming from is, as a child, my parents, especially my father, made it a point that we had dogs. I mean, my first word as a child was a dog's name. Normally, बच्चे क्या बोलते हैं? Father, mother का नाम लेते हैं. They normally, the first word is the parents, mother, ma, pa. But my first word was a dog's word. Okay. So my father and my parents made sure we always had pets. And similar to the story of my grandparents, they made sure that we were very close to dogs and pets and stuff. And I've had pets all my life, and growing up with pets taught me one thing, that they touch your soul, and they make you see the world a lot differently, and you're much more warmer, you're much more friendlier, You're much more joyful. You feel a lot more. I'm not saying you get more emotional. Yeah, some people may get emotional, but they just help you kind of see the world a little more differently. You go to a vet and you're shopping for them, you're going for a walk with them, you're making sure you're buying bones for them, food for them, you're taking them out, and you go for these joy rides, you go on these picnics, and you go for these holidays. So everything changes for you. So it's not just about you and your immediate family and stuff. So when you talk to people who are taking care of dogs and stuff, you'll see the change in their lives. This is where they come from. And it's very inhuman for the world to say that pick up these dogs and put them behind bars or put them in shelters and stuff, because they don't understand where that connect is coming from. So किसी शायर की गज़ल ड्रीम गर्ल, किसी झील का कमल ड्रीम गर्ल, कहीं तो मिलेगी कभी तो मिलेगी, आज नहीं तो कल कौन ड्रीम गर्ल. I mean, certain minds and people don't realize this, that for those in the neighborhood, for those feeders, for caretakers, for shopkeepers, for drivers, and a lot of people, these dogs mean a lot more. They're more like family and stuff. So if you like this thought process, do share it and do your bit, no matter what negative you read, what unhealthy or what fake you're reading and stuff. And if you can come forward and you can adopt, that will be great. But expecting people to take dogs and adopt everyone is very stupid. That way you see druggies and you see naked children on the street. Should we turn around and tell Supreme Court to take one child to their residences? I don't think so. If that's a fake share, I apologize for my words and stuff, but I think sharing this kind of a thought process anywhere, or this kind of a comment which even regular people make, that the dogs are going through some trauma, or the dogs are going through some unhealthy stuff on the street and stuff, take them home, is not making any sense, because you don't take all the dogs home, all the animals home. It's a responsibility of whoever. In my sense, in the real sense, I think it's probably the government's responsibility to provide with the infrastructure and the resources and stuff. So pushing this thing about people should be looking after the dogs and pets on the road and stuff doesn't make any sense. Provide us with the infrastructure, provide us with the resources, give us the funding, provide us with the finance and stuff, and look how things change and stuff. And shifting it on to caretakers and animal lovers who are doing a good job of just supporting and assisting the country and its leadership. It's worth an applaud than just turning the tables around and making it look like they shouldn't be doing this. So love and luck and take care. किसी शायर की गज़ल ड्रीम गर्ल, किसी झील का कमल ड्रीम गर्ल, कहीं तो मिलेगी आज नहीं तो कल कौन ड्रीम गर्ल. तो कभी कभी आपका पेट भी आपका सबसे बेस्ट फ्रेंड या कंपेनियन होता है. So flow with the flow, go with the flow with the flow when it comes to emotions and stuff. Enjoy the small simple joys of life and stuff. When it comes to emotions, when it comes to caring and stuff, taking care of a pet or a animal is more of a commitment and stuff. So to those who are taking care of these community pets and dogs, a big salute. Let us keep going with it, and let us stick to the commitment and stuff, and let's not get disheartened by what's happening around us. I'm in it with you as well, and wherever you want the support and everything, please feel free to write into me and stuff. And वैसे तो I'm doing my own bit in my own neighborhood and stuff. If I could do more, you could please write into me and stuff. So love and luck and take care.